Look, I know you're stressed out, but don't worry about it, because here's what's gonna happen. We're gonna get drunk and eat chicken fingers. Me, you, and the old man's gonna be here in about 20 minutes.
Ricky, life isn't about getting drunk and eating chicken fingers all the time, all right?
Invincible, invincible, we invincible, I feel invincible, invincible, convince myself I never reach my pinnacle, I'm fuck-wittable, I heard your bars so pitiful, full of four-letter words, my verse polysyllable, you can liken me to God, this pure dope make your heads nod, taking dabs, you smoking a whole lot of pot, from a different cloth, always wing gonna take this loss, demons in my head, demons in my brain, we are not the same, I shake it off, never break me off, waking up, make my hate re-up, drinking to drown out the fake free love, is lonely on this level, so I DM'd a slut, she came and ate me up, I don't give a fuck what you think, cause I'm on one, they not on my radar, but I saw them, hacking them, vacuum them, body stacking them, chase you down, don't look back, I'm tracking them, making music till I fucking die, or go platinum, this ain't my ego talking, bitch shut up, you better listen close, eagle stalking, keep on walking, you might meet a ghost, dead end alley, we getting rowdy, living in Death Valley, said we living in Death Valley, to the average individual, I'm invisible, still I feel invincible, not a criminal, smoking on medicinal, still I feel invincible, I'm strong enough to flip the world on its back now, but you stick me in the background, I'm strong enough to flip the world on its back now, but you stick me in the background. Tearing on the walls, fight for the cause, don't respect your laws, setting up with a Kalashnikov, break the necks for every sect involved, they murder the freedom, I'm gonna beat them, stop me down, crush my soul, still breathing, cut out my heart, is still beating, looking for an outlet, I'm seething, want me to die, I will not comply, it's eye for an eye, in other words, you're suicide, every time you try, I laugh inside, called me the bad guy, pass the blame, I'll take the punch, you got no aim, and the self-promotion got no shame, the name is brain, my flow insane, I wanna be the greatest, I sharpen my blade till the pen is hated, building makeshift wings, let the sky penetrate it, ate the red pill and integrated with Satan, change the station, I'm so out the norm, feign surrender to the game, I'm mender, I will not conform, farm your lands till I found my form, looking in my eyes, I am the storm, I'm in scorn, I'm in scuff, cuff for the dumbest stuff, but you can't ever make me give a fuck, I ain't no cuck, I ain't no pussy, I ain't no vic, get bit if you push me, get what you deserve, and I ain't sorry if they book me. I feel invincible, invincible, I feel invincible, invincible, so invincible, invincible, so invincible, to the average individual, I'm invisible, still I feel invincible, not a criminal, smoking on medicinal, still I feel invincible, I'm strong enough to flip the world on its back now, but you stick me in the background, I'm strong enough to flip the world on its back now, but you stick me in the background. Send me up, take me away now. Am I falling or flying? I don't wanna stay down. Send me up, take me away now. Am I falling or flying? Just take me away now. Send me up, take me away now. Am I falling or flying? I don't wanna stay down. Send me up, take me away now. Am I falling or flying? Just take me away now. You know I do this, it's not a hobby. Going up and no one's gonna stop me. You know I do this, it's not a hobby. Going up and no one's gonna stop me. Gone, no one's gonna stop me. I'm gone, no one's gonna stop me. Going up and no one's gonna stop me. I'm gone, no one's gonna stop me.
Yeah, I got my shot, I'm on my pivot with it. And I ain't missing, I'm in the winning. You know I'm different, beyond gifted, encrypted with introverted vision. And if I say that I did shit, you should know I did it. They try to doubt me, but I'm rising on them. They can't come around cause too much eyes be on them. If they try to down me, I raise the prices on them. So stay the fuck from around me for my guys be on you. So whoever try to clown me, I feel sorry for you. Cause I'm way over my boundaries and I'm striving harder. Just know I'm wavy over goofies and I'm grinding smarter. And know the way be so damn groovy when I slay or slaughter. Wake me up, take me away from all the fraud and lying. I don't need my name around. Wake me up, take me away from all the fraud and lying. I ain't trying to hang around.
You know I do this, it's not a hobby. Going up and no one's gonna stop me. You know I do this, it's not a hobby. Going up and no one's gonna stop me. Gone, no one's gonna stop me. I'm gone, no one's gonna stop me. Going up and no one's gonna stop me. I'm gone, no one's gonna stop me. I'm a ghost boy, yeah. I'm a ghost boy, yeah. I've been all play. I've been thinking about you. I've been all play. Love you, but you don't have a clue. I'm a ghost boy, change with the seasons. Fucked up, I have my reasons. Drown myself in liquor, smoking fat dabs, I can get high quicker. Most people snakes, see them slither. Not her, why she fuck with a sinner. Train surfing, I'm a drifter. Mask on my face like Shy, so don't try me. New age pirate, cuss like a sailor. Been to jail, these are letters that I mail her. Can you bail me out, cause I'm sinking. There's zinc in my blood, but still I'm drinking. Hiding in a wall in the basement. 666 entry code for the wasted. Reveal my true name, lose power if you say it. So don't say it. What I gotta do to make you see I'm elated. Every girl before you, I erased it. Every girl before you, I erased it. Yeah. I've been all play. I've been thinking about you. I've been all play. Love you, but you don't have a clue. I'm a ghost boy, walk through the hallways. I walk through the hallways, up at 3 AM, but then I hide all day. Yeah. No one ever sees me, leave you with the salt bay. Now tell me how that salt tastes, to haunt you for life, girl. Don't mock me, think twice, don't cross me. Venom in my veins, what you cost me. Living in hell where the lost be. Stay frosty, keep eyes on your shoulder. Call me Mr. Freeze when I breathe, make you colder. Hiding in the wall in the basement. 666 entry code for the wasted. Reveal my true name, lose power if you say it. So promise you won't say it. What I gotta do to make you see I'm elated. Every girl before you, I erased it. I erased it. Every girl before you, I erased it. Yeah. I've been all play.